Okay, this is tamarind, the unshelled one. So now I'm rinsing it because I want to make a paste out of it. So after rinsing, I now add more water and I left it to get soaked. So this is it. So I stir a bit, I put it on the fire and I left it for a few minutes. Then I off the fire. Then I stir. I also left it for a while. Then I now start straining using a strainer. So this is the first stage of straining. After straining this part, I turn it into another water. Then you see how I actually work on it. So now I'm actually trying to drain the water from it using the strainer. This is the chaff or the residue. After this process, after filtering, I use a sieve which has a finer cloth on it, a gauze. Then I filter it to give it a smoother filtrate. Then after this part, I left it to the filtrate to settle, so that I get water and it left the thicker version underneath. Then I use it to rinse that residue that I had. So after every process, now I trying to filter this last residue I got from the first part I told you about. So why did I leave this thing to the next day is because I wanted the water to get the thicker version underneath. So after everything, I drain the water, leaving the thicker part which I left on the fire to boil, which I will be scooping whenever I want to use it. Look at it. Then the other water there, I left it. I'll also use it for juice. So this is the end product, my thick paste.